Hey Mastercraft fans, this is Scott here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Mastercraft dealer here in South Carolina. Today I am showing you the 2022 all-new Mastercraft XT23. This boat is new from the ground up, and let me tell you, it is amazing. Can't wait to hop in and show you guys some of the features, but let me give you a quick little walk around here. This is also a new color for Mastercraft for this year. This is the new Stealth Gray. All new transom with transom seating as well. All right, let's climb on aboard here and I can start showing you some of the features about this boat. First, take a look at the standard transom walkthrough. Really easy entry point with through step pad on the back seat. You can get an optional cushion for right here if you want it. Ski pylon will go right there for surfing and tubing and things. Check out the all new flip seating. And then this seat here will come out as well. All right, let's climb on inside and take a look. The seating ergonomics on a Mastercraft are the best in the business. I mean, look how comfortable the contoured corners are of these seats. You'll just nestle right in and can spend all day. This seat here converts to a flip down flat seat to gain additional riders. Plenty of charging ports, phone storage, cup holders. This boat does have the heaters in it. The premium audio, of course, with the tower speakers. Clamping swivel wakeboard racks. This is a new tower for them as well. This is the new Z6 tower. Quick fold, really easy to do. Same thing with the bimini top. Reversible rear-facing seat, which can also convert to a flat tanning pad. Going over to the dash here, we got the 7-inch touchscreen with all integrated presets for surfing and wakeboard. Wireless charging pad down there. Huge bow. Again, charging ports and cup holders located up there in the bow as well. Nice wraparound seating, of course. Got the air dam door, trash can dispenser. Really excited to get this boat on the water and see it going around on one of our lakes. Come by us and see us at MarineMax in Greenville or give us a call at 864-236-9005.